Hello everyone. In this video, we're going to look at how to turn on Secure Boot in Windows 11. First, let's check if it's already on. On your taskbar, click the search icon and type System Information. At the top, open the System Information app. In the window, find the line that says Secure Boot State. If it says On, you're all set. If it says Off, we'll need to change that. Before we move forward, check the line that says BIOS Mode. It should read UEFI. If it says Legacy, you'll need to switch to UEFI first. To enable Secure Boot, we need to enter your BIOS settings. The easiest way is through Windows. Click the Windows icon, then click the power icon. Hold down the Shift key on your keyboard and click Restart while still holding Shift. Your PC will restart into the Windows recovery environment. On this screen, click Troubleshoot, then Advanced Options, and choose UEFI Firmware Settings. Click Restart to enter the BIOS. Your BIOS may look different depending on your computer. Look for a menu called Security or Boot. Inside, find Secure Boot and set it to Enabled. If you see a warning, confirm to continue. If the option is grayed out, check if something called CSM is turned on and disable it first. When you're done, save your changes and exit. In most BIOS menus, pressing F10 will save and restart your computer. Once your PC starts up, open System Information again and check the Secure Boot state. It should now say On. And that's it. You've now enabled Secure Boot, adding an extra layer of protection to your system. Thanks for watching.